Hey guys, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I am Bharti. Today we'll be practicing Ardha Chandrasana or the half moon pose. This pose helps in toning the spine as well as strengthening the knees. It requires some amount of balance, so you might need a couple of blocks to get started. Once you're ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going.
The first step of getting into half moon pose is to come into Trikonasana or the triangle pose. Come to Tadasana. As you take a deep breath in, jump and spread out the legs sideways. Adjust your feet such that the left foot points forward and the right foot points to the right. Raise both the arms to shoulder level. Then as you take a deep breath in, extend your torso to the right, leading with the right hand. As you exhale, bend the trunk sideways, bringing the right hand near the right ankle. This is Trikonasana. Now bend the right knee and place the right hand about half a foot away from the right foot. Bring the left hand near the left thigh. Steady yourself here. And then raise the left foot up as you straighten the right knee. Keeping your core tight to maintain your balance, keep pushing the ground with the right foot. Push the left shoulder back so that it's stacked over the right shoulder. The left hip should be stacked over the right hip. Keep pushing into the left heel to keep the left leg engaged. Just try to take a few breaths here. Once you start getting comfortable here, you can try to raise the left arm up and bring it in line with the right arm. To make this more challenging, slowly try to turn your neck and gaze up at the left thumb. Slowly bring the left arm down if you had it up. Bring the left leg down. Straighten the right knee to come to Trikonasana. Come up and jump back to Tadasana. Repeat all the steps for the left side. This was Ardha Chandrasana or the half moon pose. Hope you enjoyed practicing this. Do subscribe to the channel to stay in tune with new yoga videos every week. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.